Hey, what's going on, folks? I'm in my RV, and right now I have a situation where I need to figure out ways to turn this into a bed but be able to handle my weight. Right now it has these ledge over here, one over here and the one on the other side, and then there's fasteners being held by screws, which I don't think is enough. So I bought these legs that are gonna go under. When you put this down, it turns into a bed. And the idea is I'm gonna put Velcros. I don't want to kind of screw it in because then it'll be stationary. Obviously, it'll just stick out when you're trying to sit in. So I'm hoping once it's down, I just put the Velcros in. There'll be double-sided Velcros. The only thing I really needed to do is be able to support the weight. I have 4 of these. They'll go in each corner, and Velcro should be enough to be able to hold it in place just for the time being. And yeah, so let's try it out. And this is how it's going to extend out. This should be enough, I think. Let me see. All I want to do is make this adjusted to the height just above the ledge so that it's not putting weight on the ledge itself. So yeah, let's check it out. So this is the Velcro I'm using. It has 2 sides to it, the adhesive on each side. And one of the sides will go on here, and then the other one will go on each of the corners on the table. I really like this one. It comes in this package, then you can just pull out as needed, so it stays nice and neat. Alright, so here's a piece cut out, and I'm gonna make all of them the same size. Alright, 4 pieces cut out. And there'll be basically 4 pairs. I'm going to put the fuzzy part at the bottom so that when it's in dinette mode, you happen to put your knee on top of it, it's not going to scrape you. You know, the harder part is going to scrape you basically. So what I mean by it is the soft part right here. This is the more harder part. The hooks that grab onto this piece over here. And that'll go onto the table. Alright, the Velcros are on, and I'm going to take the dining table out, put them in place. Alright, so all 4 legs are on, and they're wobbly, which is fine. You know, I just need to keep it stationary while the weight is on. That's the primary goal, because it's already being held on by the existing fasteners, and I just want to give it additional support. I don't know if you can see, this is a little wobbly still. You can make micro adjustments. Actually, it worked out really well. Even though it's on the wobbly side, once you sit on it, it's going to provide the support you need. Precisely what I needed for anyway. If you need support for anything, definitely consider these. Highly recommend it. The link's in the description. Also the Velcro if you need it. Alright, well, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.